Good day, everyone. Welcome to today's class. In today's class, we are to talk about arithmetic progression, which is called AP. Arithmetic progression, and A stands for what? Arithmetic, while the P stands for progression. Are you getting me? And I really want to talk about this topic because this topic will really help us to actually answer some mathematical question a lot. And based on what we've been discussing so far, I believe you enjoyed the class very well. Based on our previous lecture that we have treated, you enjoy it, in which we talk about the exponential indices. Indices, we talk about in law of what you call indices and the application of that indices, also mathematical operational sign that we discussed. But today I want to quickly talk about the arithmetic progression, which I believe after this class you will love this topic very well, and it will help you in solving many, let me say, mathematical problem a lot, because this topic actually is very useful in our daily activities. Is that we're taking? So, and the topic says that we're arithmetic progression, and this is a series of the form, is a form on its own. Again, look at it, the first one we have A plus open bracket A plus D, close the bracket, plus open bracket A plus 2D. You can see the D is what is increasing gradually, while the A also is what is constant. I get it. It's just moving like that. And we have what called 2D, close bracket, plus this dot means that what we have some particular progression in between before we get to this one. And this side is talking about towards the end of the what of the progression, just as if we say A, B, C, and then we are moving towards Z gradually. I get it. And that's what this one symbolizes. I get it. Where A means what? The first time. First term means that what perhaps we are given a consecutive number. The number that comes first is called what? A, which is the first number, first term that comes from the series of the given number. I get it. And then the different. This stands for different. This stands for what? Different, which is what? Common different. You call common. Common means that what? If you check, maybe I give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exactly. These two, to check the difference, 2 minus 1, give me 1. Different again, I pick 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2, give me 1. Is a common difference. Exactly. It is common to all. Is a constant. I get me? Between any two consecutive terms, like this 1, 2, 3, like this. I get me? And then the end time, which is what the end here is called what? End time. So that is the end time is what the last of the series given to us. And we can say n times equals to what? A plus n, open bracket, n minus 1, close the bracket, D. Exactly. And we can sometimes some textbook will give you like this. L equals to what? A plus n, open bracket, n minus 1, close the bracket. Again, why some textbook will say n time. Is that what we're taking? We are staying the what? Same thing. So don't be confused about that, the terms that they use. Is that you say last what? We say what? Last times, or we say n times. So, and they say it can be shown that the sum of the first n times of the series is this. And this is the general formula for to calculate sum. Exactly. This is the formula to calculate what the sum, which is what? S, which is the sum to the subscript of n. Exactly. Equals to n over 2, open bracket, which is what the brace, they will have the big bracket that we have there. 2a plus open bracket inside n minus 1, close bracket D, and close everything. So with this formula that I just explained on board now today, in our subsequent classes that we're going to be taking you through, exactly, we are going to apply this, let me say this formula very well. Then you now have the full understanding of how to apply this topic, this formula very well. So with this, I come to the end of today's what is called topic. I hope you really enjoy the topic. And before you go, comment in the comment section, share, likes, and what, and stay tuned for the subsequent lecture that is actually coming on the way. Bye for now.